When we're talking about scarcity, what are we going to default to? To what we know. When we're talking scarcity, we are very scared of new things. We're still talking about anxiety. So how do we get out of the anxiety mindset? It's really the challenge I believe we're up for. How do we get to a place where it's not about anxiety? Our Western society does a lot of its thinking and working on the basis of punishment. In other words, who is guilty? Guilt, punishment, consequence. That doesn't work. Why? Because if you stand in front of a judge, what's your relationship with that judge? Do you know him personally or her? So if this person's going to tell you, well, you're guilty, what are you thinking internally? Well, I don't know you. So what's the effect? It's working actually counterproductively. So how can we ensure that when something happens, that person isn't punished and excluded for what they've done, but is included in the society and is offered a way to repair? And it's not so much about the material damage, it's about repairing the relational damage that has occurred.